Good evening and welcome to another night of Wolverine football. It is finally a night that counts. Battles for the 50-50, and Cole makes the catch. Touchdown, Wolverines! Williams getting stronger, spinning. And he breaks out of it, spins out 5, 3, 2, 1. Touchdown, Wolverine! I'm a survivor. Even if I fall, I'll be up again, 'cause I'm a fighter. I am a fighter. I'm a survivor. Never lay down, never give up. I am a fighter. No good! He missed it! Dade County has won! Dade County has knocked off Pepperell. How about Dade County? And on alumni night, Rick Hurst is going to have to go make a long ride back to Lindale as Dade County wins 21-20.